Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the audio system in this 2018 Seat Leon. So, any screen, it's on phone at the moment. We go to music. On the music, if I click on a track, you see at the bottom there, it's got Seat BT3156. Your choices are, just at this moment, iPhone or the Seat. The tick's next to the Seat. Anything you play on your phone, if this is set up properly, the audio will come through here. So I'm going to turn this down, over to the system, click on the home button there. Then we want media, click on media. Now I'll click play. This is on auxiliary at the moment, so you need to change it to BT. Sometimes you'll come to it and it'll go straight to BT, you don't have to do anything. But this one, click source, select BT audio. That's it there. I'll click play again because it's knocked it off. And then if I turn this up, that's how you stream audio, play music.